In this video, let us talk about the greatest challenge faced by the bankers as well as borrowers when it comes to working capital lending. The challenge is why drawing power is not equal to sanction limit in many cases. For that, we have to understand how the working capital limits are basically sanctioned. If you take the large exposures, large cases, the working capital credit facility, that is CC, is sanctioned on the basis of estimated current asset, right? It means from the estimated current assets, other current liabilities are deducted and working capital gap is arrived, and this gap has to be funded by the borrower through margin, and balance portion is what bank finances. Let's assume the estimated current asset is 10 crore and other current liabilities available for funding this 10 crore is 3 crore. It means there is a gap of 7 crore. So on this 10 crore, assuming the borrower is bringing a margin of 25%, it means margin is 2.5 crore. So 7 minus 2.5 crore, the eligible bank finance is 4.5 crore. This is how the credit facility is sanctioned, meaning 10 crore estimated current asset minus other current liability of 3 crore, gap of 7 crore, margin of 25% on current asset 2.5 crore that is deducted, so bank finance is 4.5 crore. All these are on the basis of estimates, but this drawing power is always calculated on the actuals. Let's say in the actual scenario, their current asset is 10.5 crore. What the bank is estimated is only 10 crore and actual is 10.5 crore. But if you look at the breakup of 10.5 crore, it is inventory 6 crore, receivables 3 crore, advances 1 crore and other current assets of 0.5 crore. And for the purpose of drawing power, banks will be considering only the chargeable assets like inventory and receivable. They will not consider advances, other current assets and all. So the estimated current asset for the purpose of drawing power will be only sum of these two. And let's say the other current liabilities that are coming to support this inventory and receivable is 3.5 crore, then the working capital gap will be only 5.5 crore. And assuming a 25% margin on 9 crore, it will work out to 1.38 crore. So 5.5 minus 1.38 will lead to only 4.12 crore. Look at here, despite having actual current assets greater than estimated current asset, what can be disbursed is only 4.12 crore. The reason is drawing power considers only the enforceable current assets like inventory and receivables, whereas sanction is on the basis of estimated current asset itself, which includes all the items. So this is a disparity. So let's be very clear with the reason for difference. Sanction limit is on the basis of estimated current asset, whereas drawing power is computed on the basis of actual chargeable or enforceable current asset. If this enforceable current asset is less than estimated current asset, then obviously there will be differences. So what the bankers have to do at the time of sanction itself, they have to consider whether the inventory and receivable which are included in the estimated current asset will also support the sanction limit, because here the estimated current asset might include inventory, receivables, advances, other current assets as well. So what the banks have to ensure, whether this inventory and receivable alone will justify this sanction limit or not. If that is taken care, then this disparity can be avoided in many of the cases. Do you wish to learn more? I invite you to attend our free Sunday workshops on the topics related to credit and financial analysis. This Sunday, we are going to conduct a session on 11 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m., 3 different sessions focusing on credit and financial analysis topics. And to join this workshop free of cost, just comment live. I'll share the registration link with you, or WhatsApp me live classes to the number seen on the screen.